Hi guys, today let us study the fifth module, that is refrigeration and air conditioning. Let us begin with refrigeration. Well, what is refrigeration? The process of reducing the temperature of a substance below the temperature of the surrounding and maintaining this low temperature within the given space is called as refrigeration. The machine which produces this refrigeration is called as a refrigerator. Now, let us study the principle of refrigeration. Well, the primary purpose of the refrigeration is to keep the substance cold. In order to keep it cold, heat must be continuously removed from the given substance. But from the law of thermodynamics, we know that heat naturally flows from a hot substance to a cold substance. Hence, here, if heat has to flow from a cold substance to a hot substance, some form of external work has to be performed. Hence, in refrigeration, heat is continuously extracted from the low temperature substance by performing some mechanical work and then rejecting this heat to the surrounding atmosphere. Hence, a carrier substance is used to extract the heat and this substance is called as the refrigerant. Well, here the refrigerant in liquid state is made to circulate in a cycle and goes through several phase changes. During its change from liquid to vapor, it absorbs heat from the substance and during its change from vapor to liquid, it rejects the heat to the surroundings. This cycle is repeated again and again in order to maintain this low temperature which is required to keep the substance cool. Now, let us look into some of the terms which is used in refrigeration. First, refrigeration effect. Well, this is the amount of cooling which is produced by the refrigeration process. It is basically the rate at which heat is removed from the system in one cycle. Refrigeration effect is usually expressed in kilojoules per seconds or kilowatts. Next, ton of refrigeration. Well, ton of refrigeration is usually used to express the capacity of a refrigerator. This is defined as the amount of heat absorbed in order to produce 1 ton of ice in 24 hours from water whose initial temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Hence, 1 torr will be equal to 210 kilojoules per minute or 3.5 kilowatts. Next, ice making capacity. Well, as the name suggests, it is the capacity of a refrigerating system to remove heat from water to convert it to ice. Next, the coefficient of performance. Well, the performance rate of the refrigerator is measured by the COP. COP is defined as the ratio of amount of heat removed from the given space to the work supplied for the heat removal. Hence, COP can be given as Q by W and is expressed in kilowatts. It is important to note that higher the COP, more will be the efficiency of the device. Next, the relative COP. Well, the COP of the refrigerator which is obtained practically will be different than that of the one which was calculated theoretically. Hence, relative COP is defined as the ratio of the actual COP to the theoretical COP of the refrigerator. Now, let us see some of the applications of refrigeration. Food processing, where it is used for the storage of fruits, vegetables, dairy products, etc. It is also used in chemical and process industries such as petrochemical plants and paper pulp industries for providing large capacity cooling for efficient manufacturing, and is also used in special applications such as ice manufacturing, manufacturing and preservation of medicines, desalination of water, and several other uses. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe, join our Facebook group, and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.